Hello guys, kumusta lahat? It's been long time guys, hindi ako naka-vlog kasi ay nako guys, talagang that's why hindi ako naka-vlog kasi naalala nyo yung kininto ko guys, last vlog ko yung sister ko, ate ko. Ayun, nawala siya yung may colon cancer, nawala na kasi siya guys. She passed away. Tapos, ayun, yung nga sabi ko sa inyo, yung may colon cancer siya, stage 4. Nawala na siya guys, kaya suddenly na nandito ako sa Pilipinas. Wala sa oras, wala sa plan, wala talaga guys. Talagang umuwi talaga akong walang-wala talaga guys. Para lang maano ko yung kapatid ko. Kasi almost a decade hindi kami nakita. Last naming meeting guys is 2007. Mostly we are keeping only chatting. That's why we are planning pa naman to 2026 with banding, but unfortunately in God, nandoon na siya kay Papa God. At least sad kasi wala na siya. Ay nako guys, yun talaga, grabe talaga yung habang nagchat-chat kami guys, kasi that time umuwi siya sa Pilipinas. Gusto niya kasi umuwi sa Pilipinas, kaya habang nasa hospital siya, nagchat-chat kami ng ate ko, tapos ayun na, nag-aano kami. Tapos ayun, sabi ko na sa kanya na suddenly kasi sabi ko uwi ako. Umuwi talaga ako guys, na walang ka yung pera, alam niyo, financially talagang walang-wala talaga. Ang hirap talaga. Kaya ayun, umuwi ako dito, nawala na siya. Ang sakit, grabe, super sakit guys. Yung madatan mo na yung mahal mo sa buhay na wala na. Talagang, ewan ko guys. Talagang, I cannot express my feelings. Grabe talaga ang feelings guys. Kaya nag-stop muna ako mag-vlog kasi isang reason din yun, parang hindi ako makakonsentrate na may daily vlog, hindi ako makaka-focus kasi yung mentally ko nasa kanya, tapos yung physically nasa Nepal ako. Kaya ang hirap kasi yun ang pinaka-close ko sa lahat ng kapatid. Parang spoiled brat kasi ako noon guys eh. Spoiled brat niya ako noon. Kaya ngayon wala na siya. At least masaya lang kasi no more pain, kasi grabe talaga ang pain niya guys, grabe ang pain. Grabe ang pain niya guys. Ay naku, pasensya na kayo guys kasi hindi ko talaga mapigilan ang pagluluha. Kaya naglakas loob ako na magbalik sa vlog. Kasi first of all siya kasi ang nag-ano sa akin, mag-vlog ka para malay mo merong yan ang niya, yun ang motivation niya sa akin. Try mo mag-vlog kasi alam niyo naman wala akong trabaho doon sa Nepal, yung asawa ko lang. Kaya ayun, talagang ang hirap talaga, grabe. Kaya ito ang dahilan na bakit parang matagal akong hindi nakapag-vlog. Kasi ang hirap mag-vlog guys, na yung dibdib mo, isip mo talagang mentally block talagang. Grabe. Talagang umuwi ako sa Pilipinas na walang ang sakit. Masakit. Pero okay din kasi wala na siyang pain. Mas matagal din yun niyang kinikimkim eh. Ilang chemo ang niya guys, 36 chemo, pero wala pa rin. Iba pa rin, wala. Ang hirap lang guys. Kaya ngayon, mag-vlog na naman ako guys. Sana supportahan nyo ako guys. Kahit matagal ako nawala sa social media. Yun ba, patuloy ko to guys. Kasi yun ang pangarap din ng ate ko. Salamat guys sa suporta. I love you all. God bless all. Love you. Hanap ako ng upuan guys.
Ladies and gentlemen,
41G.
Ito
Ito na guys. This is it na guys. Uwi after long time. Makauwi ng Pilipinas.
Use of electronic
Hello.
devices such as laptops, mobile phones, tablets,
Pauwi
and
na
any
ng
smart producing
Pilipinas.
equipment is not allowed. Smoking is strictly prohibited.
Ayan, nandito na ako guys. Oh my God, sa window ako. Ang ganda naman. Okay. Guys, nandito ako sa window. Makaupo ako sa window. Saglit lang guys. Hi! I'm in Bangkok guys. Just now arrived. Now I need to check my connecting flight. Bangkok to Manila. Here you go guys. Bangkok. You can see here. Oh my God, it's very far, guys. You need to go walk very far.
Boarding at gate G3. Please board at gate G3.
Parang sabog na sabog ka uuwi. Haggard talaga ako, guys. Grabe ang layo ng ano. Ng pwede din kaya sakay din guys. Laka. Ang layo ng ano nila guys. Grabe. Connecting flights. Mag-ano pa ako. May update ko kayo mamaya guys. See ya. Bye for now. Guys, finally guys, nandito na ako sa Mactan Airport. Oh my God. Labas na tayo, labas. Nanapin ko muna yung kapatid ko. Ay, papakausap mo dito, di, para at least diretso na tasakuan. Napagkausap dito na si Jonel na.
And then that is all still one day. And then you're still moving. The doctor said she's waiting for somebody. She's very strong to fight. I know you're waiting for me because a long time we didn't meet each other. That's why for me it's very hard, very difficult. You know how much I love you. That's why on that day I decided to hand over you, God. No need to wait for me. 30 minutes with God, I told you. And then, no need to wait for me. If you are tired, you can go ahead, but for my deep in my mind and my heart is very difficult to hard to accept that. And then you literally, even though you're not opening your eyes, but you open widely to look at me, and then your mouth like you want to speak something to me. Like you want to say, okay, thank you, as long you're coming. I'm happy. And then at the time I told you, go ahead, my network, God. When that time, you open wide and then after I know that it means that is my life. You're watching me very deeply, and then after I am. Your last breath when we talk in the camera. You lost everything. Oh my God, I am really hard, man. It's really hard because I want to hug you. I want to kiss you. I want to hug you. Oh my God. When Sophia already tell and surrender to you, when you already make it last breath, I suddenly collapsed there, help me there because I'm already unconscious. I cannot accept you're gone with us. It means you are the last one. I know it's very hard. Sophia and Soren, they are very deeply sad. Because we are planning this year, but unfortunately God did not give us. You are very fighter for 3 years. This is stupid cancer. You know that you are very kind-hearted. No words can explain. You're very brave woman. That's why man, it is very difficult to hard to accept. You are lying out there. When I came from the airport, I'm supposed to be, we will hug each other and kisses. But unfortunately, you are inside. This is the one I cannot accept it. It's very difficult, Manet. But unfortunately, so Manet, no more pain, no more toy. Agay, toy, agay. Every time we do video call, toy, agay. Madam, Inday, Ma, and all the people you're asking, agay, please you feel faithful. But now, no more faithful, Manet. You reach that one, Manet, you are in the with the God. It's hard to accept, but I don't want you to make it too much. Putting in your nose, putting in your heart, putting in your bag, everything. But now you're ready. No more pain. No more calling me in the midnight, 4 o'clock a.m. Toy, wake up, we do TikTok. Toy, kami we do online, we do TikTok. I will message a toy online, and toy will do dance like this. Toy, kami will chat each other with mama or with my sister. Only the one thing I miss you always wake up because your time and my time is very difficult. But it is Manet, that's really hard. Long time to see each other. And then now you are inside. Oh my God. Manet, I know you're happy now with God. Sometimes I ask to the God, why like this God? Sometimes I hate to the God. Since you already announced that you have colon cancer, that time I hate God. And then slowly I accept that because you know you're very kind.
Dola. Kaya si Frankie na.
But
Inap na to eh. Ganap pa si Frankie.
okay, Manet.
Si Frankie.
Just be only Manet, no more painting. No more agay. Now your wish is make a man, Manet. Because you told me whatever happened, boy, I will go home with family. I will bring these clothes that you're waiting clothes for Frankie. You want that one to wear at the last moment. We know already how much you love Frankie so much. It means this is it. This is the last, Manet. It means we say goodbye. Goodbye forever. Now you are our angel for all of us. But we miss you so much, Manet. You're a brave woman. You're Superman. Everything, whatever, Manet, you are very kind to each other. Even somebody asks you, you will give even you don't have. That's why God gave you another challenge. I love you so much, Manet. From me and my family, Sophia, especially Sophia and Surrender, they're very, very sad now. But we are happy also because you don't have pain. I love you so much, Manet. I love you.
Ano ko na si Frankie. Nagkapon.
Ay, patuig lo.
Ay, patuig lo.